Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing buckwheat flour Cheela, also known as Kuttu Cheela. This Cheela is a good option if you're fasting. It is completely gluten-free. Buckwheat is not related to wheat, though the name suggests so. Buckwheat is actually the seed of the plant and not a grain. And yes, buckwheat is completely gluten-free. So if you have gluten allergy, include buckwheat in your diet. I have already shared a buckwheat roti recipe along with the health benefits of buckwheat. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. Buckwheat is a good option to include in your diet if you have health issues like hypertension, diabetes, PCOS or thyroid, and also if you are on a weight loss journey. This Cheela or Dosa is easy to make, does not require any fermentation and can be had for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So if you had a long tiring day at work, this gluten-free recipe can be a perfect meal for dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, add in half cup buckwheat flour or Kuttu ka atta, 1/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 green chilli finely chopped. If you're making this for kids, reduce green chilli, 1 to 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, or you can even use 1 to 2 sprigs of chopped curry leaves. Add in 1/4 cup water and then just give it a mix, and once it is nicely mixed, add in little more water and make it into a batter. The batter should be of pourable consistency. It should neither be too thick nor too thin. To make the cheelas, heat an iron dosa tawa and lightly grease it with gingerly oil. If you want to know how to make the potli, which I am using to grease my tawa, please do watch my video on the same. Links will be updated below this video. Also, try to use an iron tawa for better iron absorption. I have already shared many videos on this topic, so please do check the description box below for the links. Now pour in 1.5 ladleful of the buckwheat flour batter and spread it out. Put the flame on the lowest and allow the cheelas to get cooked for about a minute. Drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee for better nutrient absorption, as ghee helps all the benefits of buckwheat to assimilate faster into your body. So do not avoid ghee. You can check my video on ghee to understand more. Links will be updated below this video. Now carefully flip the cheela to the other side and let it cook on low flame. You can make 2 cheelas with this recipe, and my healthy, nutrient-dense, gluten-free buckwheat cheela is ready to serve. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.